There is no easier way to answer your webinar attendees' questions than with ClickMeetings Chat Q&A. Here's how it works. Go to your event room and click this icon. Choose Enable Chat Q&A from the menu. From now on, if your attendees' chat entries end with a question mark, they will be automatically marked as questions and sent to a new Questions tab in your chat window, here. Even without a question mark, your attendees can manually mark their entries as questions like this. If your attendees fail to mark them, you can do it yourself the same way. All marked questions will be added to the list in your Questions chat tab. You can keep Q&A enabled during your webinar while using other features. When you are ready to begin answering questions, select one from the list and click Display. It will appear in the main webinar window for everyone to see and for you to answer. To move on to the next question, simply click Display again. To close a displayed question, click Stop Displaying in the question list. When the Q&A session is over, simply disable it here. If you find hosting a webinar and using question mode at the same time a bit tricky, we recommend inviting a moderator to help you with the questions. Just make sure the moderator is given their rights. If you miss some important questions during the event, you can always answer them later. Just log into your account panel and look for Q&A chat log. Download it to access attendees' questions and emails. That's it for now. Have a great Q&A.